Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, let's try fixing Apple Pay freezing or lagging problem. So in order to fix Apple Pay freezing or lagging, you have to first of all try a quick restart of your iPhone or a force restart if your iPhone is unresponsive, because sometimes simple restart can resolve some small glitches. Additionally, you can toggle airplane mode. So you have to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and now tap on the airplane mode and then quickly disable it. So it can refresh all the network connections that Apple Pay relies on. Additionally, you can try updating your iOS version. You have to make sure that your iPhone is on the latest version of iOS. Let's go to settings and you want to scroll down to general. Now let's open software update and here check for any new updates. And if there are such new updates, you have to install them and eventually update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. And additionally, sometimes low storage can cause some freezing or lagging of your Apple Pay. So you have to go to settings, open general, let's go to iPhone storage, and here you can see some recommendations for freeing up some space on your iPhone, so please clear up some storage. So I think that after completing those steps, your Apple Pay should now work. And please, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.